Everybody, now we will continue to create with creating of schedule table. In the meantime, in property set definition, property set define, I created a few more parameters, and these parameters, this one length is automatically parameter and it's in a millimeter, and this length in meters is formula property definition. And we can add here or add it here, so we use result is round on 2 decimal points, length divided by 1000. Okay, we also created formula with name of cable trays, and it says that the result is width compared with height. Okay, and that's only two new parameters. We can go back to our, for example, our cable tray, and we can see that here we have name of cable tray and here we have length in meter. Okay, now we have to go to style manager, go to documentation objects, schedule table styles, and create a new schedule table styles, and that will be cable tray schedule. Cable tray schedule. It applies to cable tray, columns. We will add columns. First we will add service type. Now we will add name of cable tray, and here we will add the length. Okay. Here is service type. Here we can modify that's the name, and here modify is length. Okay, we want length that shows total. Okay, and sorting. First we will sort by service type. Okay, and we will group this, and also we will show subtotals for groups. And we will also sort by name of cable tray, and we will say that we want to group this. Okay, now we created our our schedule table. Now we have to go to annotate, schedules, device schedule, and here from style we have to choose our own style which we created, and that's cable tray schedule. This one, mark all cable trays, press space, and here we have separated our cable trays. We added here length in millimeters, so we can mark this table, go to edit style, go to columns, delete this length, okay, and add column and add length in meter. Modify. Okay, so we can see now that we have in alarm we have 260 this type of cable tray. So what if we change some kind of cable tray? So for example, we want to change these cable trays, we want to change to IT. So automatically we have to refresh our table, and we will update this table, and we can see that we don't have any more 260 cable tray in alarm. Okay, so we can go also here in edit style, see what we can modify. We can see for length we want totals. Okay, and we can see now that we have alarm cable tray 8.33 meters. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.